Hi anime lovers, this is Anirudh. Today I am going to explain about what is the male in Steins Gate anime series. D-Mail, short for DeLorean Mail, refers to all the mails sent back in time by Okabe Rintaro throughout the course of Steins Gate. The mails are generally sent back through use of the microwave phone, but some also arrive from as far in the future as 2036 from the future Okabe. Daru was the one who coined the term DeLorean mail, while in the anime adaptation it was Mayuri. Okabe suggested a number of names for the mail, but it was Kurisu who shortened DeLorean mail to D-Mail. D-mails are generally phone messages, but in one case, a pager message sent back to the past is also considered a D-mail. D-mails can only be sent in their entirety if they are as large as 36 bytes or smaller. Any additional content will be cut off. Additionally, the D-mail will be split into at least 3 separate mails upon arrival in the past. Okabe has managed to perfect D-mails to the point that a large movie mail can be sent as a single D-mail. D-mails have the ability to change the world line by altering the actions taken by the receiver of the message. However, this ability is largely hit and miss because the receiver's reaction to the D-mail is generally unpredictable. In many cases, the D-mail doesn't work at all or has a different effect to the one intended. D-mails can have drastic effects such as changing Ruka Urishibara's gender or Kiryu Moeka to commit suicide. D-mails are sent through the microwave phone and can only be sent from devices connected to the microwave, such as a phone or pager. D-mails can only be sent to someone with a phone or a pager. So although they could hypothetically be sent back millions of years, they wouldn't have any effect. The number of the target phone is also necessary to send the D-mail, so they can't be two individuals whose numbers the sender hasn't obtained. By modifying a D-mail to contain an individual's memories, compressing it with a black hole and sending it back in time, that individual can time leap into the past. This is the main principle of the time leap machine. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video.